landed at this particular nation at the abroad, where we will be visiting their farm and see what kind of crop they are planting, and we are gonna see how much they cost and how long have they planted these crops. To the start here, I have these particular crops, as you can see here. I think they are known as Vaitongos. In Kenya, they call them the Vaitongos, but in the United States, we call them the onions. But these are the leaves. We haven't seen the roots yet because the roots are down here, and so we are gonna see how the roots look alike when we find the particular farmer who planted these crops. As you can see here, we have these are, I think they call them the Mboga Kienyanjai. The spinach. In the United States we call them spinach. Yeah, so these are the Mboga Kienyanjai. They eat with ugalai and also with the chapatai, and the kind of foods that contain or flour. Yes, and also I think these are the potatoes or the viazi. In Kenya, they call them the viazi because they grow underneath and they bring about like plenty of potatoes and they grow into dozens of them. And also up above the potatoes, we have the maize. In Kenya, they call them the mahindai. The mahindai, the mahindai they roast, they roast and become mahindai choma, and also they boil the maize and become they call it the boiled maize. They call it mautongo. Yeah, mautongo. Yeah, I studied them and I saw they call it mautongo. And you can see this farm is particularly big, as we can see here. And we're gonna see how many crops did this guy just planted. Oh, also we have the cabbage here. Yeah, they know as the cabbage. Yeah, I have not studied it yet. I don't know what they're called in Swahili, but I'm gonna find it out and I'm gonna tell you guys as soon as possible. Yes, and also as you can see, this is the mahindai I was talking about. As you see, this is the mahindai. It's growing into a big. There have been two of them. They're pair. They're growing to big mahindai where they're gonna be roasted or they're gonna be boiled and become motongo or mahindai choma, as they call it in Kenya. Yes, and also we have plenty of food crops here. Oh, and also I'm gonna show you. We have a particular crop here. They call it the sagai. The sagai. The sagai is a traditional food this year. A traditional food. They used to eat these back in the days where with the Kalenjins and the Kaikoyos. I don't know how they interacted with each other, but this is what they were eating. You can see this is the sagai. They used to eat the sagai. And also, not forgetting, guys, I need you to know that this is not a food. This is known as the sweet potatoes, or they're called the ngwashai. You know the ngwashai? Yeah, in Kikoyo, in Kenya, they used to call it the ngwashai because they grow beneath and they are sweet and yet they grow like the potatoes. That's why they get the word potato. Yes, and as you can see, they also plant trees. This is a cypress tree. They plant trees in order to provide the shade for this mboga ya kienyeji. They're called spinach. You can see, but this spinach is kinda infected and also it's not that good. And so this is gonna be cut off and let the others grow into a fine green mboga ya kienyeji. Yes, I'm gonna show you the next section over there. So you can see there's another section of a farm over there. We're gonna go there and gonna see how much crops are grown over there and how much crops are needed to be plowed. As you can see, this area is neatly plowed. The farmer is truly conserving this kind of farm, and so you can see the plants are all green in color, including the mahindai, the potato, the viazi, and also the cabbages. And I'm gonna go. Let me go and take my TX 45 Safari Rally car, and I'm gonna head downtown and see how they are doing this kind of thing. Stay tuned as we go to the next session of the Shambai. Thank you.